In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a board in Monday.com. If you need to remove a board you no longer use, this process is quick and straightforward. Just keep in mind that deleting something in a workspace can be permanent depending on your account settings, so it's always a good idea to make sure you're deleting the correct item before you confirm. To begin, open Monday.com and click on any board. This will take you into the board you want to manage. Make sure you're inside the correct board before moving on, especially if you work with multiple boards that have similar names. Taking a moment to double check here can help prevent mistakes later. Once the board is open, look for the three-dot menu on the board. This is the options menu, and it usually contains actions related to managing the board or parts of it. Click on the three dotted line menu to open the available options. If you don't see it right away, scan the top area of the board carefully, since menu placements can vary slightly depending on your screen size or workspace layout. After the menu opens, click on Delete Group. This is the option that starts the deletion process. At this point, Monday.com is preparing to remove the selected content, so be sure that this is exactly what you want to do. If you clicked by accident, you can still back out before confirming. A confirmation prompt will then appear. Click on Delete Group again to confirm the action. This second click is important because it tells Monday.com that you definitely want to proceed with the deletion. Once you confirm, the group will be removed. And that's it. The board content has now been deleted through the menu and confirmation step. As a best practice, always pause for a second before confirming any delete action in Monday.com, especially if the board or group contains active tasks, updates, or important team information. If you're unsure, consider checking with your team first so nothing important gets removed unexpectedly. That's the full process for deleting a board in Monday.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.